Hi allesammans, hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to use the, and dem, dem, dem in Norwegian. Norwegian, with its distinct grammar and vocabulary, is a fascinating language. People learning Norwegian often find it hard to know when to use the pronouns the, and them, them. English, these two words both imply they. Although they serve different grammatical functions, the, the is the subject form of they, whereas them is the object form, them in English. Use the correct pronoun form based on where it is in the sentence to avoid confusion and ensure your message is clear. In this discussion, we will look at how to use the and them correctly in Norwegian, with examples to help you master these pronouns. For example, in the sentence, De går til butikken. De går til butikken. De går til butikken. They are going to the store. De, de, de is the subject of the sentence because it refers to the group of people who are performing the action of going to the store. Other examples of de in the subject form. De spiser frokost sammen. De spiser frokost sammen. De spiser frokost sammen. They are eating breakfast together. De løper i parken hver morgen. De løper i parken hver morgen. De løper i parken hver morgen. They run in the park every morning. De synger vakre sanger. De synger vakre sanger. De synger vakre sanger. They sing beautiful songs. In these examples, the is used as the sentence's subject because it refers to the people acting. Them is the object form of they. In other words, them. And refers to a group of people or things receiving the action in the sentence. For example, in the sentence, vi så dem på kinoen. Vi så dem på kinoen. Vi så dem på kinoen. We saw them at the movie theater. Them is the object of the sentence because it refers to the group of people who are receiving the action of being seen at the movies. Other examples of them in the object form. Vi kjøpte en gave til dem. Vi kjøpte en gave til dem. Vi kjøpte en gave til dem. We bought a gift for them. Kan du hjelpe dem med leksene? Kan du hjelpe dem med leksene? Kan du hjelpe dem med leksene? Can you help them with their homework? Jeg inviterte dem til bursdagsfesten min. Jeg inviterte dem til bursdagsfesten min. Jeg inviterte dem til bursdagsfesten min. I invited them to my birthday party. In these examples, them is used as the object of the sentence because it refers to the group of people receiving the action. To summarize, properly using the, and them is critical for good Norwegian communication. Note that the is the subject form of the pronoun them or they, whereas them is the object form. When choosing the proper form of a pronoun, it is vital to think about what the pronoun does in the sentence from a grammatical point of view. You will quickly get comfortable using the, and them correctly in your Norwegian speech and writing with practice. We hope that our discussion today taught you how to use these essential pronouns in Norwegian. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.